Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class, lesson number 16, Clothes we wear. In this lesson, we will learn about different types of clothes we wear, the need for a different types of clothes in a different regions, and how tailors stitch our clothes. So, here in the things section, it is given that we wear different types of clothes. Why do we wear the clothes? Why do we need different types of clothes? Think about it. Here in the remembering section, we wear the different types of clothes. Do all the clothes that we wear look and feel the same? No. Some cloths are rough while some are soft. Some are thick and some are thin. Some cloths are smooth and silky. The clothes we wear to different places and occasions differ. What do you wear to school? You wear a uniform to school. We wear night clothes when we go to bed. We wear special clothes during parties, festivals, and other occasions. Clothes we wear also vary with the seasons. We use thin cotton cloths in summer and thick woolen cloths in winter. During the rainy season, we wear cloths which easily dry. We use raincoats when we go out in the rains. We may use different types of clothes at the workplace. Certain types of jobs need a special clothes. For example, police, doctors, and lawyers wear special clothes. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover and protect our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, and dust. Why do we need different types of clothes? Can you go to school wearing your night dress? Or can you sleep comfortably in your school uniform? No, it is not possible. While sleeping, we need a soft and loose night clothes to sleep well. For school, we need a well ironed and clean school uniform. Similarly, the clothes we wear should be suitable for the weather. Summers are hot, so we wear thin cotton cloths. Cotton allows air to pass through it. It soaks the sweat. So, cotton cloths keep us cool in summer. Winters are cold. During winter, we need a thick cloths to protect our body from the cold weather. So we wear woolen cloths. They keep us warm. During a rainy season, we need a waterproof cloths. So we wear raincoats. They do not allow water to get in. They protect us from getting wet in the rains. Some special cloths are used at work. For example, firefighters need cloths to protect them from the fire. Now, application part. We already discussed the need for a different types of cloths. Now, traditional cloths differ across the states and regions of our country. For example, in Rajasthan, men wear dhoti, kurta, angaraka, and pagra. Women wear long skirts called gagra and tops known as kanchali. Kashmiri men and women wear boots and farran. In Assam, women wear chadar, while the men wear dhoti and gamosa. People in different regions may wear the same type of clothes in various ways. For example, the woman wears sari is different across the different regions. Amazing fact. In olden times, human beings didn't know how to make clothes. So, they used leaves, barks of trees and animal skins as a cloths. Have you ever been to a tailoring shop? A tailor is a person who stitches clothes. A tailor uses a measuring tape to take the measurements. Have you seen how he or she takes the measurements? He or she uses scissors to cut the cloths in the proper shape. A sewing machine is used to stitch. Thread and needle are used to sew the cloths.